This is a short video on Baby Brezza Formula Pro cleaning. I answer, how do you clean a Baby Brezza and how often should you clean Baby Brezza? And I start right now. Baby Brezza Formula Pro cleaning is important. You need to do a daily and a monthly Baby Brezza cleaning to make sure the machine is dispensing accurately. After every 4 bottles, you need to remove the funnel and funnel cover by pulling out and down. Baby Brezza also has a warning indicator to remind you to clean. This is the clean funnel symbol. It will not run if this symbol is on. Wash funnel and funnel cover with warm, soapy water and rinse well. Then dry completely before reinstalling. You also need to wipe the powder dispensing hole on the underneath of the powder container using a dry paper towel or soft dry cloth. Put back the funnel and funnel cover into the machine and you're good to go. Fortunately, you do not need to remove the powder container for daily cleaning. Here's a tip to make daily cleaning easier. You can buy an extra funnel and funnel cover on babybrezza.com for about $13 and swap the spare funnel with this funnel. So you're always ready to go and you don't need to worry about drying and washing. I did not buy it myself, but you have the option. I put a link to the spare parts in the description below. You also have to do a thorough cleaning once a month. Fully dismantle the parts including the water tank and powder container. Wash all the parts with warm soapy water and rinse well. Let the parts dry thoroughly. Put back the parts. Check out our how to assemble and disassemble video for more detail. This video is not sponsored and I also spent lots of time making and editing this video. If you got value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button or even better by leaving a short or one word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching. Check out these other videos from us and you have a good one. Thank you. It is very helpful with the